Hi, my name is James Abney, and I'm the Technical Sales Support Manager at RenewAire.
Hi, my name is Kevin Bergeron. I work for RST Thermal as an outside sales rep.
My name is John Schilling. I'm the Southeast Regional Sales Director for RenewAire.
My name is Dylan Beauregard. I work for RST Thermal as an inside sales rep and as well as technical support.
The ventilation workshop is held at our facility in Waunakee, Wisconsin. We typically have our guests come in the evening before, and we will have a nice dinner out and get to know one another. The next day, the workshop starts at 8 a.m. and will typically run until 2 or 3 o'clock in the afternoon.
RenewAire's ventilation workshops give you a professional development credit, and then we teach a broad range of subjects that will hopefully be useful in your job. So we start out with the basics of building air quality. We'll talk about codes and the basics of energy recovery, heat exchangers, controls. So we'll give you a broad range of information that will be useful for your career.
I've really enjoyed this ventilation workshop. I'd highly recommend anybody, engineer or HVAC professional to attend. It's been great meeting all the RenewAire employees, getting to meet them, getting the eyes on the product, and broadening my knowledge on ventilation as a whole.
I wanted to attend the RenewAire ventilation workshop because it's been a few years since I attended the last one, and at that time that was pre-pandemic, so there's been a lot that's changed, and to be able to get in and see kind of how different ASHRAE standards and codes have changed to account for the new, quote-unquote new world we live in. It's really important for us in our day-to-day business. It helps us stay informed and, more importantly, inform our market partners as well. We also have a couple of new team members at RST Thermal who I think would benefit from seeing these types of talks from the RenewAire employees.
At our ventilation workshop, you get to meet all of the people who are behind the scenes. You get to meet our technical sales support staff, our marketing people, our controls people, everyone that pitches in to make RenewAire what it is. So you'll gain an understanding of our corporate philosophy, our mission, and our vision. A ventilation workshop is much more than just a factory tour. A lot of times people ask to go on a factory tour, and we invite them to our facility for a ventilation workshop because we do much more than just provide equipment. We're all about ventilation, indoor air quality, and how we can improve people's working environments and the quality of life through ventilation.
You should choose to attend a RenewAire ventilation workshop because we provide high quality information in a short space of time in a fun environment.
I've really enjoyed this ventilation workshop. I'd highly recommend anybody, engineer or HVAC professional to attend.